I hope the delivery arrives before my lesson.
Good morning to this beautiful, quiet neighborhood today.
I hear a truck stopping near my fence.
This address looks correct for my morning route.
The mail is usually late on rainy days.
I have many heavy boxes in my truck.
I see a man in a blue uniform.
This package feels quite heavy for one person.
He is walking toward my small front door.
I should check the house number once more.
It is definitely my new set of books.
The sun is finally shining on the path.
My students will be very happy about this.
This garden has many lovely red roses today.
I should prepare a space on the table.
I hope the teacher is home today.
I feel so much excitement for this delivery.
Delivering books is my favorite part of work.
The doorbell will ring in a few seconds.
I am standing right at the front entrance.
I can see his friendly smile through glass.
This delivery requires a very clear digital signature.
I am ready to open the door today.
My schedule is very busy this bright Tuesday.
Teaching is better with these new colorful materials.
I like the peaceful atmosphere of this street.
I am walking to the hallway right away.
I am reaching for the small silver bell.
The wait is finally over for me today.
Ding dong, the delivery is here for the teacher.
Hello, I was waiting for your bright truck.
Good morning. Are you the English teacher here?
Yes, my name is Emma. Nice to meet.
My name is Jack from the City Delivery.
You arrived exactly at the most perfect time.
I try my best to be very punctual.
Is that the large box from the bookstore?
It is a very big box indeed, Emma.
I ordered many books for my young students.
That explains why the package is so heavy.
I am very grateful for your hard work.
It is my pleasure to bring these tools.
Please come inside the warm hallway with box.
I will carry it inside for your safety.
The floor is clean. You can stay there.
I have a special trolley in the truck.
Do you need help with the heavy lifting?
No, I am quite strong and very careful.
The box looks a little bit wet today.
The morning rain was very heavy for us.
I hope the books inside are still dry.
The plastic wrap protects everything from the water.
That is wonderful news for my new library.
I will set the package on the rug.
Thank you for being so very thoughtful, Jack.
My job is to keep every package safe.
You are the best delivery person in town.
I simply enjoy helping people with their orders.
Let me check the name on the label.
Everything should be in perfect order for you.
The address on the label is very clear.
Does the name match your ID card today?
Yes, it says Emma Miller, Meadow Lane 7.
Perfect. The system shows the same house number.
I see a small dent on the corner.
I apologize for that minor mark on cardboard.
Is the content inside still safe and sound?
The internal protection is very thick and strong.
I trust your professional opinion about this, Jack.
I checked the box before leaving the warehouse.
You are very diligent with your daily tasks.
We must ensure every customer stays very happy.
My students are waiting for these grammar books.
Learning English is a very important goal today.
I love sharing stories with my young pupils.
Books are like magic doors to new worlds.
I agree with your beautiful thought about reading.
I read to my small children every night.
That is a very lovely family tradition, Jack.
It helps them dream about grand fairy adventures.
Let me see if the tracking number is correct.
I am scanning the barcode with my tablet.
The device is making a very soft beep.
The screen is green. Everything is fully verified.
I feel much better about the whole process.
We take security very seriously at our company.
I appreciate the high level of your service.
It is important to avoid any delivery mistakes.
We are ready for the final formal step.
Please hold the tablet for a short moment.
Write 1 English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.
Where should I put my name on screen?
Please sign in the white box at bottom.
I will use the small plastic stylus pen.
The digital signature is very fast and easy.
My handwriting looks a little bit strange today.
Digital screens are always a bit slippery, Emma.
There, the signature is finished and very clear.
I'm saving the data to the server.
Does the system send me a digital receipt?
You will receive an email in 5 minutes.
That is very convenient for my school records.
We use less paper to protect the trees.
That is a very green and smart idea.
Every small step helps our beautiful planet Earth.
I teach my students about nature every Friday.
Teachers have a very big influence on kids.
I try to be a good role model.
You seem like a very kind person, Emma.
Thank you for your warm and generous words.
I have one more small box for you.
Oh, I forgot about the second smaller package.
This one contains some new black ink pens.
I always lose my pens during the lessons.
I understand. I lose my cap quite often.
At least you found your way to me.
My GPS is very reliable in this city.
I am glad you did not get lost.
I know every street and every small lane.
You are truly an expert in your field.
Experience comes with many years of driving around.
I want to see the first book now.
I have a small cutter for the tape.
Please be careful with the sharp silver blade.
I am an expert with this little tool.
The tape is coming off very easily today.
The cardboard flaps are opening for us both.
I see the bright covers of the books.
They look very colorful and very brand new.
This one is about English fables and legends.
The illustrations are very beautiful and quite classic.
My students will love the pictures of dragons.
Children always enjoy stories about brave flying creatures.
I will read this story tomorrow at 10.
I am glad the delivery was a success.
Everything is in perfect condition inside the box.
No pages are torn and no covers bent.
The bookstore packed everything with much great care.
Good packaging is the secret to safe shipping.
I am so relieved that everything is here.
My job here is almost finished for today.
Do you have many more stops to make?
I have 20 more packages in my truck.
That sounds like a very long workday.
I will finish before the evening stars appear.
I hope your day stays very bright indeed.
Thank you for the positive energy, Miss Emma.
It was a pleasure talking to you today.
I enjoy meeting such friendly people en route.
I will order more books very soon again.
I look forward to seeing you next time.
I will put these books on the shelf.
I must return to my big blue truck.
Have a very safe drive on the road.
The traffic is quite light at this hour.
I hope you have a wonderful lunch break.
I have a tasty sandwich in my bag.
That sounds like a perfect midday meal today.
Enjoy your English lessons with the new books.
I certainly will, thanks to your fast delivery.
Goodbye, Emma. Have a very productive week today.
Goodbye, Jack. Thank you for the great help.
I am walking back to the garden gate. He
Is a very hard-working and kind man.
I am starting the engine of my truck.
I hear the motor running in the street.
The next stop is just around the corner.
I am closing the front door very softly.
I see her waving from the small window.
The house feels so much better with books.
My mission is complete at house number 7.
I am ready for my first student today.
Driving away into the bright and warm sun.
This was the best delivery experience of year.
People like Emma make my job very happy.
I am looking at the dragon book again.
The road is open and the sky blue.
Time to prepare the lesson plan for tomorrow.
I am heading toward the busy city center.
Today is a very good day for learning.
Farewell to the teacher with the brown eyes.